Hey everyone, so I'm going to quickly explain the activity you are going to do that is related to the atom. So in Google Classroom, you're going to have a link to the PhET Colorado activity, and you will have a link to the assignment itself. So what I would like you to do is open up the assignment, open up the link to the PhET Colorado build an atom, and then you're going to go through the pre-lab. So here is kind of an example. You're going to build. So when you get in there, you're going to choose, I'll go back to show you what you're going to look at. You're going to see this, click play, okay? It's going to open up an interactive simulation, and you're going to click on this one, and you're going to build. So this one says 3 protons, 4 neutrons, 3 electrons. As you can see, here they are, and you're just going to place them where they go. So protons and neutrons make up our nucleus, so we're going to place them in here. So I got 4 neutrons, sorry, and I should have 3 protons. Did I add a third? So once that's done, I need to now add my electrons, reminding yourself that only 2 go in the first orbital, and after that they go on the outside. So you can see here this is a neutral atom because we have 3 protons and 3 neutrons. So, oh man, let's try that again. 3 protons and 3 electrons, positives and negatives canceling each other out. All right. You will then take what you see here and draw it as a picture. Now, I understand that that's not easy to do, seeing as you're using a online version. So even if you just took the drawing tool or go up here and go insert and do drawing right here, you can insert a drawing such as this, go drawing over, and it'll pop this up, and then you can actually draw with a tool in here. All right, you can add lines, you can add an image, you can add a text box and a shape. So if I want a shape that is a circle, I can do a circle like that. Okay, and then I can use my lines, I can make them bigger, I can add things. So you can do things like that, hit save and close, and it adds it somewhere where you have it clicked open, okay? I'm just not gonna have it in there right now. That's how you would do that. Circle which element you are, and then you're gonna go through and play around with this stuff, all right? So mass units, you can actually change over here. Here's the mass. So this has a mass of 7. I also know that because remember I told you the neutrons and protons make up the nucleus. The nucleus is where the mass sits. So 3 and 4 for a total of 7. If I want 3 mass units, I'm going to remove, okay, some protons here. Okay. Now I still have 4. Yeah. There we go. So now that's a mass of 3. Okay. Now, depending on which one you remove, does have effect on what element you're looking at. So that's kind of interesting. So that's what this one is. The charge of the atom is 0 is the neutral atom, -3. Okay. So you got to figure out which the charge of those are and then start over again and make some changes. You're then going to go into the build an atom activity. It says draw models that show atoms or ions, use information about protons, neutrons, and electrons, and identify, draw, and all that stuff. So again, drawing is kind of hard. So if you can, print this off and try. If not, guys, just do your best ability to what you can try and do. You can maybe use some sort of drawing tool in Paint, draw it and drop it in. It's really up to you how you get that done. We are going to then, when you're done, submit this back into Google Classroom once you've completed the entire activity. Once you're done this entire activity, there is more activities in this one. So you can go back in and you can actually play the symbol game, matching symbols, or you can actually play a game that is like figure out which one it is based off of this. They're kind of fun. So you're going to give those a try. This is what we are going to start with after our video tomorrow. So if you have any questions or concerns, message me on Google Classroom. Anything like that would be great. Have a great night.